welcome back to my channel. I am Shanae Moniz, and today I've got another wig review for you guys. And this wig comes from a brand that I've never worn before, and it comes in a color that is so far outside of my comfort zone. I'm normally like a number 2, maybe a number 4 type of girl. So yeah, someone left a comment and requested this wig to be reviewed, so I gotta give the people what they want, so that's what I'm doing. So this wig is the Annika wig from It's a Wig, and it's in the color copper brown. So there is the stock card. Yeah, so y'all, I'm a little nervous about this color. I'm about to just open it up really quick. I'm a little nervous about this color, y'all. All right, you guys, so it's kind of like a orange auburn type of color. As you can see, the curls are very, very pretty. Again, there is the stock card of the wig, and check out this hairline. So the parting space is, I can say the parting space on this wig is really, really good. So the wig does have 2 combs in the front of the wig. It has a comb in the back, and it has your adjustable straps. The hairline is pre-plucked, and I can work with it. I generally don't like to pluck my wigs or anything like that, just because I'm lazy. So I generally don't like to pluck my wig. So anytime I can get a wig that is pre-plucked, I'm gonna try to, if it say pre-plucked, I'm gonna try to work with that pre-pluckedness, if you get what I'm saying. So this is, they call it the 5G True HD Transparent Lace Wig. The undetectable and transparent HD lace blends onto your natural skin like no other. The lace instantaneously melts and adapts to any skin complexion. All right, so we're gonna see. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace on this and install it, y'all. I am nervous. I am nervous with this color, y'all, but I'm sure y'all gonna let me know. All right, you guys, so I'm back, and this is the wig just plopped right on my head. I have not done anything to it except for cut the lace. I did put a little bit of powder beneath the lace. You cannot part the wig on either side. It is just one center part, and as you can see here, you can see my cap, so I am going to fill that in. I would in turn just wear a black cap underneath this wig, but I'm all out of black caps, so this is what I got. I'm gonna go ahead in with my hot comb on very low heat. I have this on a setting of 5 on my hot comb, and I am going to flatten out the top of the unit. With initially looking at the wig, it did look as though it was more pre-plucked than what it is. I will probably go in and pluck this wig some more, just depending on what the finished outcome looks like. I kind of just like to wait sometimes until after the wig is on my head and I flatten it out to see exactly how I want to go in with it, as far as plucking. But this one I would say after further looking at it, it does require some plucking. Also, I have a very, very tiny head, but this wig is very big head friendly. So if you have a larger dome, you're gonna be good, girl, because I have a lot of room left in this cap. I have this on the tightest setting, and I wish I could make it tighter. And I have a very small head. Let me go ahead and zhuzh this up a little bit, and I will come back at the end with my final thoughts on the wig.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. Bitch stay bad, let's keep it a beam. When it be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not with a steam. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking ain't like that I mean. Baddest bitch out, you shitting me? If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me's. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, they's not breathing. I'm in a check, floating need. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want like. Bitch, on my body, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. He want my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past him, he sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She come on staring cause shorty a fan. Gotta stick to the plan. He mad as fuck, I won't give him a chance. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want like. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want like.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down.
Okay, you guys, I am back. I have installed the wig. So I just sprayed the part here with the Fantasia Liquid Mousse Mega Hold Spritz Hairspray. And then I just laid a couple baby hairs with the Got to Be Glued in the black bottle. I did also flatten out the top with my hot comb and my Care wax stick. Now let's get into my final thoughts on this wig because I definitely have some. Now she is a gorgeous unit. Again, this is the It's a Wig HD Lace Annika in the color Copper Brown. Again, that's what she looks like on the stock card. All right. So Annika is a beautiful wig. I wasn't too sure how I was gonna feel about the color on me, but as I kept going with playing around with it, I started to, it's starting to grow on me a little more. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. Annika, like I said, I probably will go in and pluck the hairline a little bit more on this unit. It doesn't come as pre-plucked as I initially thought it did when I first took it out the package. Again, it is big head friendly. I didn't lay the air tabs down, but you can see like the air tabs comes all the way down on me. I do have a smaller size head. My head is a 21.5 inch, just for reference. And yeah, so as far as tangling goes and shedding goes, I did get some shedding, but it wasn't anything that was too crazy that I could not deal with. And the shedding actually, it might stop after a few, after a day or two of wear, but I did get some shedding. And actually here is a piece of the hair right here. The hair does tangle. I actually tangles a little bit more than I would like for it to tangle, but it's one of those tanglings where as long as you don't try to run your fingers through my hair, you won't know. So again, this is a synthetic wig and it is heat friendly up to 350 to 400 degrees. I would rate Annika a 7 out of 10 just because of the shedding and the tangling. She is definitely a beautiful unit, and I am going to be reviewing more colored units on my channel as well. Kind of, get out of my comfort zone of just the natural colors. I'm trying real hard, you guys. I'm trying real hard, but it has been difficult. But yeah, you guys, so that is my final thoughts on this wig. Shout out to the young lady that actually requested for me to review this wig. You guys you don't know how much that comment actually helped me, because I be trying to think about exactly what type of wigs do you guys want to see, and what I might like might not be what you guys want to see. So definitely, if there's any wigs that you would like to see, or if you would like for me to review, let me know down in the comments and I'll review them for you. So I'll let you know how the wig is before you spend your money on it. Okay. So definitely let me know. And if this is your first time to my channel, my name is Shanae Moniece. Hey, how you doing? Definitely subscribe to the channel if you like hair, beauty, travel, lifestyle. I also will be incorporating vlogs from time to time here on my channel as well. So if that is something that you are interested in, definitely hit that subscribe button so that you can come hang out with me all the time. And I will see you guys in the next one.